Distraction is the new slavery. Guys, yung paulit-ulit na pag-scroll mo, yun ang nagpapahirap sa'yo. Imagine, ilang oras sa isang araw, binubuhos mo yung oras mo sa pag-scroll everyday sa lahat ng social media platforms. Imagine, may TikTok, may Facebook, may IG, and may YouTube, ang dami. You keep on scrolling, you keep on watching, you keep on paying attention sa lahat ng iba't ibang nangyayari sa iba't ibang tao. But you forgot to pay attention to your life. Instead of scrolling, ang dami mo na sanang nabasang libro. Ang dami mo na sanang natutunan sa social media. Ang dami mo na sanang natutunan sa YouTube. Ang dami mo na sanang napanood na video that can help you out to build your skills and to build your mindset more. Ang dami mo na sanang nakilalang tamang tao na makakatulong sa'yo because you communicate more. You connect more to other people. It's about time for you to focus on yourself. It's about time to focus on what? It's about time to focus on your real life because your real life matters more than your social media.